half a teaspoon of black peppercorn, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of asafoetida powder, a pinch of red chili powder, or as per your spice requirement. And then I added some salt. I forgot to switch on the camera, so I added salt, about half a teaspoon salt. You can add ginger and garlic paste as well. Grind it into a fine paste. Of Indian cottage cheese. 200 grams of Indian cottage cheese. Now let us allow it to stay for half an hour and allow the paneer to marinate well with the masalas. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm going to try one of these. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye.